How to delete a tab on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete a tab on Google Chrome mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then click this one here, and now all you need to do is just click on tab you want. uh, Not here, click this one here if you want to delete it, or if you want to delete this tab, click here. And it's easy, of course. Let's try, just click here, and as you see the tab has been deleted. And that's how to delete a tab on Google Chrome mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.